Alright, moving this over to the other side over here. I'm going to touch off on the low side first, and I can measure the other side for the spacer between here, what the distance is. That'll be my easiest way to tell what's going on. Okay, so let me take this, go down a little bit. The problem is I got studs in the way over here. Clunk. Yep, studs in the way. I don't really want to turn this here, but I guess I'm going to have to. I got no choice. Moving the ram in and out should not have changed my head location, but it could have moved it a thou or two, who knows. Okay, that's a 10 thou shim right there. So we're going to go ahead and put a hard stop on this at some point. Okay, we just hit. This is not at 0 yet. Okay, that's at 0. It's bottomed out. There we go. Put a big cut in my damn thing here, running in so hard, but yeah, definitely screwed that up some more. Oh, I'm over a hole. That's why I did that. Oh well. Okay, tension on that. Okay, there's our hard stop. Back that off a couple thou. Five should get us close. Six. Not much clearance. And 7, we're tight. Yeah, that's tight. Cutting into it at 7. Okay. Just past 0. That should be good. Okay, nice tight fit. Okay, we're set. So we're at 0 here. This is stopped hard 0 there. We had to rotate it to move it. Oh well, we'll have to live with the air and rotation, I guess. Get that up out of the way. Looks like we're going to hit a little bit that way, but I can live with that. Try not to make any more movements I have to here. Keep the movement to a minimum, less chance of errors. Okay, that comes down. Okay, I got our shim right here. Don't be on the hole, dummy. Take the tension off that a little bit. locked on. Okay, a little bit less than 0. One on, we're dug in 1. Okay, so this dimension here is our offset in our motor mount, and that looks pretty close to 2 inches. Okay, so I'm going to take our caliper here, go like this, and measure it, and we're only 1.5 inches. It's like we're all 5s. Yep. The lowest number is what we're going to run. 5.4, 5.3, 5.4, 5, 5.4, 5.4, 5.3. Right there's 3. Okay, so we're 1.554. All right. We're 1 thou too low, so that makes it 5. So we're 1.555. So it should be 200 more than that. So if you rotate the case down on this side to get our dimension, that'll move our degree, change our degree in our case to more than 0, obviously. It's going to put us closer to that 2 degree probably that we thought we might have to go to. So I know this number's off because we're only 1.5 inches off. So this is the incorrect number. So what I'm going to do is move this up a little bit, throw my, probably throw 1 degree over here, and I'll come back and do another measurement, see where we're at. And I'm not sure how much of an offset we had. I'm pretty sure it's 200, it might be 250. All I know is it's not 1.5 inches. We're basically 1 9/16, more or less. So that's nowhere near enough. So we know we got to change it. Just a matter how much. That is the unknown. We can't drop this side, we go measure the other side. So get all the way, go all the way back across. Check it. You see anything? So, being a carbide bit, I probably chipped my edge when I dug that into my material. That's really hard on me to do that. Probably chip my cutter. So I'll have to go sharpen it before I use it, probably. If I zeroed that up there, I wouldn't know where I was at. I know I go a lot further than that because the studs are way over here. Okay. Not even close. We're hitting. Still hitting. No, we're not. Right on the edge of the case. A little extra. Go and zero all that crap out so you know exactly where we're at for next time. Repeatability is nice to have. But that's going to change a little bit when we change our angle. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and move this angle up a little bit. So I can try a degree and try 2 degrees. Who knows? All unknown. We're just going to go for it. What's the worst thing that can happen? You can be off. Oh well. We're off right now. Okay. We're at 90. Where should I go? 89.3. 89 even. 89 even. That was 1 degree change. Okay, let's see what 1 degree did for us. 100 thou there probably. Oh yeah, definitely moved a bunch. So now 0 is 100. 30. Spacer. So we moved it by 50 thou maybe. Definitely 40. Yeah, it says 75. Yeah. Here's our 10. Loose for that time. A bit more pressure. Got to be able to repeat your number, so figure out how much pressure it's going to be. Okay, heavy pressure puts me heavy pressure there. Okay, so we got our number in there now. Let's check this again. Just give an idea how much off we are for this. Okay, we'll go down to 11 inches, which is right there. Back that off. Okay, we need to go more than 11. 11.5 inches. Right there, close enough, 1/10 off. Okay, a little tight, but we should be good. We lost a lot. We're at 341. So it's 200 thou in the wrong direction. $350. 350. So that's 100 thou the wrong way, or 200 thou means the wrong way. So the angle I went was the wrong direction of my 0. So which way did I go? I went down with this. Yeah, that would have tilted the motor into the frame. Oops. Went the wrong way. But now we know. Okay, we also know something else. We are going to be we didn't need to go 200 more the other way. We were 1.5. We're 555. 555. Well, we're a couple hundred thou. Yeah, it worked out about 200. Yeah, maybe a little extra. So we gotta go at least 1 degree, but the other direction. Gotta go a degree the right way. 2 degrees would be way too much. 1 should get us pretty damn close. Okay, we're at 89. 89 even right there. I'm going to go the other direction a bunch. Alright, what are we at here? We're at 88 to 88. Too much. 89. Not even. Okay, 1 degree exactly. Okay, do this again. Cleared. I don't know what that was. Back to 0. Yep. Yeah, we're good. Too close for that. Obviously, case moved quite a bit one way or the other. Okay, I'll zero that right there. Way off. Okay. Money. Okay, pull that up. Here we go. Get 11.5. 11.51. 11.50. Down there. Okay, now let's see what we got. I won 727, 20, 30 right in that area. Okay, so I still need to go about another 50 thou more, which should be about 2 more tenths of a degree will get me there. We're 1 degree right now. I'll set off that oil pump flange, so 1.2 degrees would probably get me pretty close to that number, but I'm not sure what number I'm supposed to be at. Right now, if we use a 1/4 inch plate for a spacer, we're right on the money. So I could go see if that's a 1/4 inch thick spacer or a 2 inch spacer or 200 thou spacer. So let's go do some homework. So for now, I am good with the numbers I got. So we are getting pretty close. There's 736. Could get lower. I'm looking for the narrowest number we can get. Yeah, we're moving this up and down a little bit. So we're right there at 730. So if you add 250 to it, that'd be 980, which is right between 950 and 980 is what I like using for later motors. So it should be close. So let's go ahead and put that plate back there and see what number we got on that. Get an idea about how far off we are here, because we don't have no idea what we're doing right now. We're just fly by the night. So I think I'm pretty close now. Looks an even 1 degree off sounds pretty much like a number you would use if you were doing something in an offset department. But you never know. They might have had a hard number they used for an actual dimension they wanted to be off. Who knows? Okay. Hold the nut, tighten the bolt. Okay. And let's see what we got. We were 0.3 something off, remember last time? I moved it to 4. So now we're at 5. And the arrow was up too, as I recall. But we had a 180 around either direction. The level was over on this side. Yeah, now we're down, see. So that is 0.8 of a degree. We're 35 plus 55. That'd be 85. So we're 85. So this is not showing a full degree with this plate. Look, this isn't very, this is, it's being pinched. We don't know exactly what it is. And this surface isn't exactly flat either. So but I'm showing a degree movement here. There's our 89. Well, we look like we're pretty straight there. Still 89. So that's a full degree off. So we're only getting 8.5 tenths off according to this plate, but that's what it is. And over here, this thing out of the way. Get the cutter away from you so you don't get yourself. And we were on the right case. 7, 7, 8, 8, 1. Eight 5 that time, but somewhere around 8. All right, so we're still nowhere near what these are cut out, which is kind of disappointing. Like I said, this one was cut at 0, so now if I take this case out and throw that knuckle case back in and try squaring it up, so I was getting 2 degrees off on that. I would probably take this case and put it in there and check it with this one. And see how I can get it with this one. So I'll probably do another mock-up of this case and see if we're come up with the same number. I don't know any other way of doing it, so I don't trust that reproduction case. Either way, I gotta go get some, go find some hard information on the offset of the motor mount, so I know exactly what it is. Because right now it's a little bit more than I think it's supposed to be. But I don't know. All right, well, there you go. Wasted a couple hours tonight doing this, and I still don't know much more than what I started with. except I know this case is different than the other two cases. So, and I don't know if I have a knuckle right case floating around here in the building. I don't think so. I think all that went to storage. I'll go take a look upstairs and see if I have anything laying around. If I can get an actual true knuckle case to measure, it wouldn't hurt. So, all right, there you go. That's it for now.